Right, I'm Ben Robinson and this is my setup for 2011. I've got the purple Federal Lacey frame, the V2. It's pretty sweet, I've had it for a few months now. Got in the front, I've got a Salt Plus peg, some shitty peg got from Halpins. G-Sport hub guard, it's pretty nifty. Blank P8 front wheels, absolute piece of shite. I had it about 3 weeks, snapped a spoke there and I've buckled it. I've got the animal tyre on the front to 2.25, pretty snazzy. Salt Plus forks, had them about 3 days, haven't hardly even rode them yet because my headset's fucked. Headset, as you can see, it's a piece of shit. I've got like a spacer made out of a peg. Stem's a proper bike core V2 top loading stem in red. Don't know why I got red, but I'm changing it. Bars are United Value bars, 8.25 rise. I like them, good for my riding. Grips are Eclat Blacksmith, stretched, just kind of made them a bit more comfier. Some random purple Fit Bike Core bar ends. They were on sale for a few quid, so I'd buy them. Sunday stock cranks. And on the right I've got an Eclat Plaza pedal. They're alright, I've had them for a few months. The left's fucked though, so I've got a Demolition Team metal peg in brown on that side. Kink BMX 25 tooth sprocket, holds up alright. Odyssey Bluebird chain, pretty snazzy. It's got in the back Federal traction tyre 2.1. I ride about 65 psi in it. Back wheels are Amity Calamity, LHD, salt peg, and I'll just give you a sneak preview of my cassette. Pretty loud. I like it. Sound. Peace out.